Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about section 2.5, and the first topic I want to talk about is the point slope form. But before we get too much into that, the first thing I want to talk about is how we can determine a line. So there's two cases where you can determine a line. The first is where you have 2 points, so say you have like a point here and there. You can determine this line just by drawing a line through the 2 points, right? It's very nice and easy. And for the second case, this is case 1. For case 2, say you know the slope. Say you know the slope is 2, and say you know a point is right here. So if you know a point is right here and you know the slope is 2, the slope, remember, is rise over run. So if rise over run is 2, which is the same as 2 over 1, that means we need to rise 2 from this point, go up to 1, 2, and then we need to run 1. So we're going up 2 over 1. So this right here is our line. We've determined the line by using the slope and a single point. So this is how you determine like what the lines look like. But what we want to do now is not only determine what the lines look like with the graph, but also determine the equations of those lines. And that's where the point slope form comes in. So the point slope form is given by this. Here, I'll write it out. Point slope form of a line. It's given by y minus y1 equals m times quantity x minus x1. And then note that x1, y1 is just a point on that line, and m is what it was before. M is just the slope, the rise over run, or you could also think about it as the change in the y value over the change in x, or the change in the output over the change in the input. So this is just all the same stuff from before. So now what we can do with this is we can cover an example. So let's just say that we know that the slope of a line is 2, and say we also know that this line with the slope of 2 goes through the point -1, 5. And let's say that we want to determine the equation, of this line. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's determine the equation of this line. Well, we just need to use the point slope form above. We know the slope and we know a point. Let's plug all that in. Doing that, we get y minus y1, y minus 5 equals m, which is 2, times x minus x1, which is -1. And now note here we have 2 negatives, so we can combine the 2 to get x plus 1 on the inside of those parentheses. So this is the point slope form of the line with a slope of 2 passing through the point x1, y1, -1, 5. Oops, accidentally. Here we go. Yeah, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see some more examples of using the point slope form. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day.